What's up everybody, welcome back to Level Up Classics. These next few videos are going to be special and different from our normal how-tos. Today's video is going to be the start of our exhaust series. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button to support my channel. On my left, we have my 964 with the primary and secondary mufflers removed. This has no pipes at all, and as you add shorter or longer pipes, the exhaust notes change. On my right, we have my 964 with both stock mufflers. These 964s are completely stock except for the RS heater pipe, which has no effect on sound. So today, we're going to just get a baseline of how the stock 964 sounds and how no pipes from the catback sound. I did not remove the cats because I live in California and California emissions suck ass. My cars have already been warmed up and I'm revving to about 4,000 RPMs. And also, no, I didn't tell any of my neighbors I'm going to be making a lot of noise. We are standing about 10 feet away from each of the car's exhausts. The stock 964, I give about a 2.5 out of 10 on sound. It's just way too quiet for me, and it lacks the flat 6 presence. There's not enough growl to me, but I can understand how some people like it. The no muffler on the 964 is probably 5 out of 10 for me. This car drowns out all the sound from the other car. I can't even hear myself or anything else around me. It's got a deep tone and it's extremely loud. Probably not the best quality sound, but it's just for reference. It's that loud. So stay tuned for more videos, and our next video is going to be on the G-pipe. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Check out my links below, and don't forget to keep leveling up.